What's up, guys? T here again, back at it again with another review. This time we're talking about El Dandies.
El Dandies.
Like old dandies or something like that.
Okay, 2 words, remember it, write it down, take a picture, screenshot it, do what you gotta do. If you're looking to go to Cuba and get some good food, this is the place you must stop by and check out. Raul, tell them what happened.
We used Maps.me to find this place actually. Old Dandies is real. It's not really hidden, but it's kind of hidden. But the food there is bomb.
So this place is located across the street from I think it's Plaza del Cristo. I'm not mistaken. Yeah, Plaza del Cristo. It's on Teniente Rey. Cross streets are Cristo and Villegas, I believe. So Teniente Rey, Cristo, and Villegas. Okay, right across the street from the park, where you'll find Wi-Fi cards being sold there and stuff like that. So if you're looking to get some great food and get on the internet, this is a one-stop shop altogether.
T rad and raved about the best tacos she's ever had and was like, no matter what we do, you have to try these tacos.
The best.
So I did.
And carnitas, right?
I got carnitas. You have to say it like that. Carnitas. You did a good job.
Here goes nothing. This is the first bite of my first taco in Cuba. You see it. Coming on my chin. That's how you know it's good.
Anyways, it did not disappoint. These tacos were amazing. They looked amazing, they taste amazing, and of course we had them with some daiquiris.
Like little mom and pops by the corner, with that Seal Street and something else. So I ordered frozen daiquiri because I thought I was Hemingway today.
Because you gotta go to Cuba and have daiquiri.
Right.
Isn't that where like they originated the daiquiri?
The frozen daiquiri.
Frozen daiquiri.
I ordered what was it, like a mango drink or something. It was actually pretty juicy, pretty sweet, all organic. Maybe the scenery inside the restaurant. All of it is pretty vintage stuff from like the 50s. It's like you walk in there and you're walking into your grandma's house pretty much. You know how she has so much old stuff.
Yeah, we had tacos and listened to Puffy and Tupac.
Yeah. They're very generous with the rum.
Very generous with the rum.
I had my first frozen daiquiri there. It was delicious. They are not cheap and cheap with the alcohol. They do pour it on so you get your money's worth. The drinks are super cheap. Okay, the ambiance is amazing. It reminds you of like Little Havana. If we had such thing out here in LA or anywhere you are. The decor is nice. The people were friendly. They played a lot of hip hop in there, which was a little surprising, but you know, that just goes to show how influential we are in the States since we're so close from Cuba anyway. One of the great things I liked about El Dandies is that they have this little suggestion kind of sheet on the back end of their menu, letting you know like what you should try, other beaches you should look into, different like kind of touristy things to see and do, and it also lets you know how far they are from Havana, so you can kind of plan your trip around that.
Food there is real bomb. The second time we went, we had the chicken tacos. Surprisingly, compared to not old Havana, compared to Havana 61, I'd probably pick this place over Havana 61, and it's a lot cheaper.
Let's not even talk about how highly ranked it is on TripAdvisor. Over 600 plus reviews. It's open from 8 a.m. to midnight, so you can find breakfast, lunch, and dinner there. They have a great ambiance, great drinks, friendly staff. The bartender was nice to us. Our server was prompt. Our food was on point, very delicious. Some of the best tacos on the island. I highly recommend you try that. I've gone to Cuba twice and I've been there about 6 times. That's how great it is, okay? And there's tons of restaurants all over the place. This restaurant is the SHIT, for sure, for sure. This place is a 10. You definitely want to make sure you stop by, and El Dandy's for sure. Any questions, drop a comment or DM me, all that good stuff. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, yada yada. You can find me here or there, and yeah, check it out.
I kept with my mango drink. You had the daiquiri. Lisa had the coffee, but it was like, what was it like? 6 at night, something like that. Who the hell drinks coffee at that night?
Lisa.
From Cuba. I mean, I drink coffee, period, day or night, but Cuban coffee at 6 at night, doesn't make sense. I don't know what Lisa was thinking. What were you thinking, Lisa?